away after learning about these rare animals. First up, the Jamaican Tody, a tiny bird with dazzling green and red feathers. It's like a living jewel flitting through the forests. Ever heard of the Jamaican Iguana? Thought to be extinct, this large lizard has made a remarkable comeback thanks to dedicated conservation efforts. Meet the Jamaican Blackbird, a melodious marvel with its glossy black feathers and unique call. Buzzing around next is the Jamaican Honeybee, a local hero adapted perfectly to Jamaica's environment. Don't miss the Jamaican Skink, a small yet fascinating lizard part of the island's rich reptilian diversity. Dive into the reefs to find the Jamaican Bignose Unicornfish. Yes, it's as magical as it sounds. And finally, the Jamaican Ground Lizard, thriving in the lush ecosystems of this beautiful island. These unique creatures are the heartbeat of Jamaica's extraordinary biodiversity. Isn't nature just